Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. I'm bringing you a beautiful 1967 candy apple red Mustang Coupe in very, very good condition. Body and paint are in lovely condition as it is mechanically. Very, very nice body. All original trim. I'll just show you the trim. Seats are really good condition, door cards, they're really, really good trim. Original carpet by the look of it. And this would have been a 289 to start off with originally. Probably a 4V 289. I'll just have a look, I'll just go to the tag. And the door tags here, so it's all matching the car. There you go. Lovely exhaust note. Let's pop the bonnet so you can have a look under the hood. Very smooth. 302 Windsor. And you've got your body number there. Huge aluminium radiator. Massive. Busy. But anyway, that's it. All in a very, very nice condition. And full New South Wales rego. We'll listen to this car go for a little run. Look how beautiful these cars are. That's a timeless design. The 1967 Mustang. Look how beautiful that is. Candy apple. Candy apple with those white stripes, it really sets it off. Beautiful. Very good. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful 67 Mustang Coupe, give Mike Selby a call at Australian Muscle Car Sales.